Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to manually download and install the latest Windows 11 update, KB5068861, which is part of the November 2025 Patch Tuesday. But before we start, let's take a quick look at what's new in this update. 1. New Start Menu Layout. Windows 11 gets a refreshed Start menu. Now you have a single-page scrollable, All Apps view, new categories for better organization, and even a grid layout for compact tiles. Plus, you can hide the recommended feed if you like a cleaner look. 2. Colorful taskbar battery icons. The battery icon now changes color. Red means low battery, orange means energy saver is on, and green shows charging. You can even show the battery percentage right on the taskbar. 3. Task Manager Fix. Microsoft finally fixed the issue where Task Manager didn't close properly, which used to cause slowdowns. 4. Faster system performance, faster boot times, smoother taskbar loading, and overall stability improvements. Alright, now let's get into how you can manually download and install KB5068861 safely using the Microsoft Update Catalog. Step 1. Open your web browser. I'm using Google Chrome here. Step 2. Go to the Microsoft Update Catalog. Step 3. In the search bar at the top right corner, type the update code. That's KB5068861, and hit enter. Step 4. You'll see a list of results. Now, you need to select the version that matches your PC's architecture and Windows version. Zoom in on table showing 24H2 and 25H2 builds, x64 and ARM64. For example, if you're using Windows 11 version 24H2, x64, choose the one with build 26100.7171, about 3.9 or 4 GB in size. If you're on an ARM-based device, choose the ARM64 version instead. Click Download next to the correct update. Step 5. A pop-up window will open with a link. Just click on that link, and your update will start downloading automatically. The file is a.msu update package, and it might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Step 6. Once it's downloaded, just double-click the file to run it. Windows will automatically install the update, it's that simple. After installation, restart your PC to complete the process. And that's it. Party Popper, you've successfully installed Windows 11 KB5068861 manually. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future Windows updates and tech tutorials. Let me know in the comments if this update fixed any issues for you, or if you noticed any new bugs.